In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates in Stripe, using our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to the world of e-commerce or just looking to refine your process, this tutorial is designed to walk you through each step. So, let's get started. First, we begin by heading over to Stripe, the financial infrastructure platform that helps grow your revenue. You can easily find it by searching online or visiting stripe.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Stripe home. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, which makes navigating through the various features a breeze. Our goal here is to set up shipping rates, so from the home, navigate to the product catalog. This section is where you manage what you sell, including products and pricing. Now, within the product catalog, you'll find an option labeled Shipping Rates. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the section where you can view and manage any existing shipping rates you may have set up, as well as create new ones. The next step is to create a new shipping rate. Look for the button that says Create Shipping Rate. Clicking on this button will lead you to the interface where you can input the details of your shipping rate. Once inside, you will see options to add the specifics of your shipping rate. Consider factors such as domestic or international shipping, flat rates, or rates calculated by weight or dimensions. This is where you have the flexibility to tailor the shipping costs that best match your business needs and customer expectations. Enter the necessary details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any discrepancies during checkout. Finally, after you've filled in all the details, click on the Add Shipping Rate button to finalize your setup. This action will save the shipping rate into your system, making it available for use on your products immediately. It's important to double-check all the inputs because once customers start to check out, you want everything to work seamlessly. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a shipping rate to your Stripe account. This setup allows you to offer your customers calculated shipping options, making your e-commerce experience smooth and flexible. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos and guides that can aid you in mastering your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!